Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you an easy and somewhat gentle way to create healthy ankles, knees, and hips, which really is to create a healthy you. So what we're going to do is we're going to do quarter lunges around the clock. Quarter lunges are simply lunges that are not full and deep lunges, but they're quarter lunges. And what we're going to, as we do the quarter lunge around the clock, we're going to keep both feet parallel and or straight ahead. And as we go around the clock, what we're doing is we're challenging our ankle and our knees and our hips in different vectors that they don't normally always go through. Now, we are designed to move in every way imaginable, but we get really good at not moving and or only moving linearly. But if we don't ever challenge our body in the way, all the ways it's designed to move, if we ever find ourselves in those movement territories, it can set us up for getting hurt or not having success in those territories. So by simply moving in all the ways we're designed to move, we stimulate our body in those ways that it's used to, so it's not a threat and it's like, well, I've been here before, I know exactly what to do. So all we're doing by doing these around the world clock lunges is we're reminding our body that it knows exactly what to do, and our ankles know exactly how to move and our knees know exactly how to move. I'm just going to stop talking. I'm going to demonstrate. So I'm going to quarter lunge forward, and if I want, hey, keep those feet straight, but if I want, I can keep this back heel down, and that creates a wonderful, both legs are working here and they're working differently, but that creates a wonderful stretch on the calves, maybe the hamstrings, depending on how tight you are or how tight you're not. Anyway, I'm going to quarter lunge forward, I'm going to step back, and I'm going to quarter lunge this way, I'm going to step back, I'm going to quarter lunge this way, step back, and then back here at I don't know, what is that, like 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, somewhere in there, between 4 and 5. I'm going to step back, and then I'm going to lunge straight back. And so, and you'll find just hanging out in some of these positions and breathing can be a challenge in itself, but it can also get the body used to being there. So if you've never been here, just hanging out here and breathing, you're gonna be amazed at how much all your little stabilizers try to start working or coming back on and say, oh, I gotta figure out how to hold Tim here, or hold, if your name's not Tim, they wouldn't be figuring out how to hold Tim if it's you. But either way, just hanging out in a spot can be a great way to learn how to be there and to be comfortable, for your body to be comfortable to be in there, and for it not to be a threat to your brain or your body. So, and then obviously we could, when we get there, we could go the other way, come back, and we just work our way around the clock. And again, if you need to hang out somewhere and breathe, like you'll find your adductors on this diagonal here. You find your calves, and then here. So I'm keeping this back leg straight when I'm in the front and on the side. And now it's no longer the back leg, it's the front leg, and I'm keeping it straight here, which, see, when you get that, when you make sure everything's straight, you're gonna just feel, you're gonna feel things, and you're gonna find your body's trying to learn how to hold you and stabilize you, that's great. It's learning, and it's making you just a better mover. All right? Now, we can, if you don't have to just go around the clock, you can go over yourself, and you can do a quarter lunge this way, you can do a quarter lunge this way, and you can just play with where you can lunge. But now, I like you guys, I want to show you something that's really awesome. We can further challenge our body and make it even more resilient and healthy by, when we do our lunges, we can draw circles with our knee. And by drawing these circles, look at the ankle mobility I'm getting and the hip mobility I'm getting. I'm teaching, there's a lot of learning going on in my body, and we can change directions. And we can do this in every vector that we lunge through. And this, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, you're welcome. This feels so good. And now just be careful. Like, you can draw small circles at first, you can draw slow circles. And you'll find when you start going back, those circles get weird feeling. But this is a great way to teach your body how to move and how to mitigate new positions that are not foreign to it. This back lunge circle drawing thing, whole new ball game. But that's our tip, guys. Lunging, quarter lunging around the clock, and maybe drawing circles with our knees to expose our body to all the different vectors it's designed to move. And in doing so, we are creating healthy feet, healthy ankles, healthy knees, healthy hips, which again is a healthy you. So give that a shot. Try the quarter lunges. You can try the crossover curtsy lunges if you want. You can try drawing the knee circles in the lunges, which again, you are so welcome. I like you guys. Thanks so much for always putting up with me every week and watching my videos. I hope they're useful. This one here, this one's useful. All right, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.